Greetings from Team OPTIMA HMS. Dear users, today we are going to learn how to book an OPD registration. Outpatient Department module is a patient management software that is used to manage the flow of patients in the hospital. Our application includes features for scheduling appointments, managing patient records, and generating reports. Now please open the OPTIMA HMS application. Please enter your credentials and click the sign in button. Once logged in, you should be directed to the main dashboard where you can manage patient information, appointments and reports. Now please click onto the outpatient registration. Details like, for example, we are putting Mr. Binod Das as patient name. We must fill patient religion as Hindu and his nationality as Indian. We must choose his category as general. We must fill his contact number. After putting the contact number, we must fill the date of birth. We can also put his email ID if necessary. We must put his monthly income. Now coming to the address, we are putting Durgapur as his postal address. His police station as Durgapur and district as Paschim Bardhaman. We must put his postal code. If the permanent address is same as present address, just check on the same as present box. We must put patient's Aadhaar number. After putting the number, we must upload the document. After that, we must take a snapshot of the patient. We must feed patient's relative name and number. At least one relative name and number is required here. Now here we must choose patient's category, whether he is paying in cash or insurance. We must feed patient's department according to the emergency of the patient. And we must map a doctor according to the emergency of the patient. Now coming to the payment mode, we can choose any payment mode, whether cash or UPI. Here we have chosen cash, and we must add cash and save it to reflect in the dashboard. And now we are good to go to complete the registration. Thank you.